Okay, so behind me is this car right here, and I was just driving with him on the freeway. His freaking battery died on the middle of the highway. He had 0%. Cars could crash into us in the back of the car. Like, this is such a great way to start this video. All right, let's do a proper intro. Welcome in Lisbon. I've been here for the past days exploring this beautiful city. So in today's video, we'll be photographing a model on the streets of Lisbon. I am super excited. I've got some things in mind that I want to shoot, but mostly we'll just freestyle it. We'll be hanging around in the streets. But first, this is a typical Portuguese dessert. It's called a pastel de nata, and I had to try it. And at the restaurant I got it, they have 85,000 reviews. I have never seen a restaurant with that many reviews, so here we are. This is actually insane. So he smelled that bad. You almost want to tell them, like, take a shower.
The client? It smells so bad.
I was in an Uber before you, and his car died. His battery was empty.
What?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah. Oh, it was an adventure. I'm meeting up with my model at 3 o'clock, which is now an hour away. So I'm just doing some location scouting here in the area, and I think I found a really cool spot. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Faye. Nice to meet you. Oh, you look really beautiful.
Oh, thank you so much, you too.
You're very beautiful. All right, so I'm here with Lisa. She's from Lisbon as well, and we made it to our first locations. We're just gonna wing it. We're just gonna freestyle and see where we end up.
It's gonna be cool.
Yay, let's do it. I thought for locations, I've got a couple of things in mind. I walked past this. How cool would this be? If you sort of, if they don't mind, like sort of lean out of it, could be cool.
Yes.
Yeah, beautiful. I'm just gonna take some distance. Yeah, I love it. Really nice. If you step one step to the right, beautiful. You have a very classical face, if you know what I mean.
Yes.
Really beautiful. I wanted to ask if we could take a photo inside. I think even if you sit there and I stand outside and shoot through the window, that would be really cool.
More like
City kind of shots, almost as if you paused a movie and that's it. Sometimes I love studio work, like editorial, but I love also the imperfections and the just shoot through something, use what's already there. Yeah. Yeah, oh yes, love that. Yeah, that pose is beautiful. Is it possible if we take some photos here and I go, yeah? Yes, nice, that's so nice. Oh yeah, and if I do like, then I'm gonna make a video. Okay. Yes, I love when things work out. I'm gonna do video time. Oh, I wish I brought a polarizing filter. Wow. Beautiful. Let's shoot some horizontals. Thanks. Very nice. What I'm thinking, it's only 10-minute walk. It's the spot where the trams end. Oh, it's actually sick. I love it. Beautiful.
Excuse me. Wow.
Oopsie. Yeah, it's really nice. Obrigada. I think that could be really cool as well. If you stand exactly there, if that's okay. A little bit more towards. Yeah, love it. It's honestly so much fun to shoot through things because the attention immediately gets drawn to Lisa. I think if you just stand here, we use this light. This is gonna be full body photos because I haven't had many full body photos of you yet.
Okay.
And then sort of in line with the window. So the light still hits your face. Yeah, nice. I'm kind of happy with this photo already. Very happy. I think we got it. Alright, so I just finished my photo shoot with Lisa and she was an incredible model, super talented, incredibly nice. We also had a coffee, so we sat down for a bit and had a very good chat. Just to let you know, all of the photos you've seen in this video are edited using my Lightroom presets. I actually just launched a new preset pack that is fully suitable for portrait photography and street portraiture. So if you want to download it, click on the link in my description. In this video, there was not much talking from me. It was mostly shooting, but that's also fun for a change. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and I also hope to see you at my next one. Okay, bye bye!